family, Tanya here. Today I'm making some gumbo greens, and I've done two videos already, and they kept conking out on me. So I'm going to show you. So at least I got this part. I got some greens from my garden. I sauteed and I cut up a whole onion, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and celery. So we have the Trinity in here. I sauteed that. Then we have some andouille sausage. This is medium. This is Raging Cajun andouille sausage. I sauteed the sausage first because it renders a lot of fat, so I don't have to use any oil, cooking oil or anything, because everything's so expensive. So you let the meat do double duty. So I sauteed that, and normally, like in between takes or in between processes, I do a pause where I kept hitting the off. I kept hitting it off, so you didn't see all the pretty prep work and all that good stuff. But we'll make this easy. So this is how I love to make gumbo greens. These came from my garden, and they're very nice and tender. And I already had, this is the chicken here. These are chicken thighs that I cut up, and I did a saute on them. After I rendered the fat from the sausage, and I put the chicken in there, and it was already like baked. So I like to use as much stuff that's already cooked. This would be a good leftover meal. If you have a couple cups of collard greens left, cut up some fresh vegetables, fresh Trinity, and put everything together. That's how these meals were created. It's all about putting together what you have and making a nice soup or a stew out of it. Okay, now I'm going to put some cut okra in it. That's going to make it gumbo. Let that steam. And especially if you have people that need a different meal every day, and they really don't like leftovers, this is a revisit it, recreate it. Put some hot sauce on it. Let this simmer. It's going to simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, fam, the gumbo greens are ready. And I have some cornbread here. I made that like for Thanksgiving. And I keep some in the freezer. So we're just gonna take, it's my lunchtime now. So it's perfect. So we have some okra, greens, and chicken and sausage. It's so nice. It's a cold day. Love meals like this. Season it as heavily or as lightly as you want to. I have to do low sodium, but I do have sodium in it. Okay, here we go. Let's take a piece. You guys can't see me. My mouth is full. That's off the chain. Hey. I got some scallions I just chopped up. Hit it with some scallions, like you would a jambalaya or a gumbo. I could do a dash of hot sauce. And with my cornbread, and I'm gonna have one of those little tiny Diet Cokes. Man, I'm straight. So guys, thank you so much. I think this is going to be a part 2 because of the technical difficulties I had. So I'm going to show a video up front doing the prep work and the beginning stages, and this is the ending stage. Okay guys, thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe. We're going to thrive in 2025.